morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today, we will learn about letter L. Letter L is the next letter after letter K, and its sound is L. Lamp.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, we can see a girl climbing a ladder. There are some ladybugs on leaves. Some ladybugs are on the grass. Ladder, leaves, ladybug are friends of L. Do you know some more friends of L? Good job. Lamp, lemon, loin, lamp are some more friends of L. Children, in this lesson, we learned about a ladder. It is used to climb up. Do you know what material does a ladder made of? Good job. Ladder is mostly made of wood, and a carpenter makes a ladder. Some ladybugs are moving on the grass. Can you count them? Good job. There are 6 ladybugs. Let's learn to write letter L. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.